would you like to get more traffic to your website and convert more visitors to prospects and customers? Many business owners spend thousands of dollars to have their website designed, and then they often pay marketing firms hundreds or even thousands of dollars to drive random, non-targeted traffic to their websites, usually with dismal results. It can be very disappointing, and you may even begin to think that advertising on the internet is a complete waste of time and money. But don't quite give up hope yet. The fact is that 97% of consumers use the internet to research products and services in their local area. And according to recent studies, these savvy internet shoppers actually spend an average of 41% more when making their purchases locally. Our trained professionals can help you get your website to the top of Google's local search results and put an online marketing plan into action that turns prospects into repeat customers. We specialize in local search, search engine optimization, paid advertising, and lead capture and follow-up systems that are proven to increase bottom-line profits. Let's face it, the yellow pages and print newspaper are no longer the way people look for products and services. Here's the good news. We can often increase a company's profit margin and slash advertising costs. Call us now for a free consultation. You'll be glad you did.